In this video, I'll show you how to use your voice chat on the Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Download the app. Download the Nintendo Switch Online app on your smartphone. This is available for iOS and Android. Step 2. Sign in. Open the app and sign in with your Nintendo account. Link your account to your Switch 2. Step 3. Launch a game that supports voice chat like Splatoon or Mario Kart. Join an online lobby or a room. It's important to start with a supported game that actually supports voice chat. Step 4. Join a voice chat. In the app, select the game and join the voice chat room. Use headphones and microphone for best quality. Step 5. You can now chat and play, and most importantly, have fun. That's how you use your voice chat on the Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.